Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show you the Suncatchers from Aliexpress. I have not diamond painted them yet. This is a video unboxing. Once I diamond paint them for my daughter, I will upload a video review. So let's start with this gorgeous peacocks. I'm really very sorry for the noise at the background, like a cracking sound. I'm standing on the floor and it is very dry, so it makes cracking sounds. So I purchased this for around $5 or $6 each. One of the kits contained two Suncatchers, the peacocks, so they come together. So this is the first one. What I like about this are that they are double-sided, so they're diamond painted on both sides, because I had a very unfortunate experience with Aliexpress a few years ago when I ordered keychains and they were diamond painted only on one side. I was very disappointed. So this is one. This one is like tall and thin. This one is short and thick. That's how I decided for myself. Not sure if they couple or something, but so these are the peacocks, and they come with a standard set of tools and this very chain. So as to this one, this is plastic. It is not glass, like a big faceted plastic bead and small different colored, like I would say rainbow plastic beads. That's what you are gonna hang it on. That's how it's supposed to hang. And it also comes with this like keychains and the I don't know, round circles or something. I will have to figure out how exactly to put them on. I guess the circle will be placed here in the hole, and then the chain would be put inside of it, and that's how they're gonna hang. So, and of course it comes with two rainbow chains for both of the peacocks and the drills. As to the drills, the peacock set has the majority of the drills. It has around 11 colors. I had to count it. 6 of them are crystalline drills. The dark blue, lighter blue, green, like sky blue, I would say, beautiful color. Orange. Oh no, it's 9. So I thought this was 6. 9. 10. So 5 of those are regular crystallines, and these are special shaped ones. The blue, these are gorgeous. I have never seen drills like that before. They really look like peacock feathers, right? The leaf-shaped dark blue ones, pearl round yellow ones, and greenish with some blue hues on it. So 10 colors in total. Okay, so this is the peacock kit. Now let's move on to the next one. This is a butterfly. I purchased it from the same store. There are different shapes. There are mandalas, there are butterflies, there are half moons. Some of them are available, some of them are not. So I purchased this one. So this one comes in one piece, only one butterfly, unlike this kit that comes with two peacocks. Here is the butterfly, also double-sided. Now let's look at the drills. By the way, this one also comes with a chain. I'm not going to unbox it because the principle is the same. Here it is. But I think that this bead is a little bit bigger than this one, or at least it is more, well, maybe it's the same size, but this one is thicker and more faceted in comparison to the first kit one. So this kit, let me just turn it right. So this kit comes with 6 colors, unlike again the previous kit, it comes with 10. So it also contains half special shape drills and half crystalline. So the leaf-shaped purple one, the pink one, blue one, yellow, pink, and transparent for the butterfly. And the last kit that has the least colors is the rose. I mean, you can see that it does not have that many colors if you look at it. The same, it also comes with a chain to put it on. And here are the colors. Three shades of red and the green one, but I still think that it should turn out pretty good. And once it is completed, it is put on this chain, and it can be hung everywhere, on the balcony, on the window, in the car. I'm planning to put mine in the car and maybe give some of them as a gift to my friends. So these are three Suncatcher kits that I wanted to show you. I haven't purchased from Aliexpress for a while when it comes to diamond painting kits. I mean, most likely, they are sold somewhere here on Amazon, on eBay, but I'm pretty sure they are more expensive than on AliExpress, and they're shipped from China in any case. Like, the quality will be the same. So once my daughter and I diamond painted, I will upload a video review and you will see how they look completed. If you are interested in purchasing those, I will leave the link to the kits in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.